Hello everyone, this is me Aryan Kumar and today we are going to study another crucial topic that will simply focus upon a lot of prestigious and elementary bases that are of course important for you, that will help you at a lot of points in your life, of course with chemistry, physics and all, with numericals. So as we were discussing about stoichiometry, you already know that stoichiometry means is a matrix of any element. Now, how do I do that? Okay, simply you can just say that stoichio means elements and metry means calculations. So, calculations of elements is known as stoichiometry. Meanwhile, we discuss a topic of mole in it. Now, if you don't know what is mole, mole is amount of substance. Okay, amount of substance that showcases uh, its value in particular grams in any atomic mass unit. Okay, now later on we will just focus upon other topics related to it. This is all this is all about moles, masses, formulas, um, again about substances, about particles. This is how the chapter works. Amount of substance is known as a mole. We have studied that from our maybe from our elementary classes. Yeah, that is the correct definition. If I define that very particularly by a proper definition that says mole is defined as a gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, or gram formula mass. Basically these are the types of substance, and substance is known as atom, molecule, or ion. You can write it in your copy. It can be atom, it can be a ion, it can be a um, ion, and can be a molecule. Okay, it can be a particle as well. Okay, so these are the types of type of mole that we just wrote here. Again, now what is Avogadro number? That is the second main topic in this chapter. What it is. Basically, it is having a value of 6.02 multiplied by 10s power 23 that shows significance of the numbers in this. Meanwhile, this is represented by Na. It is again not sodium. Sodium is N and small a, or you can say not a capital one. Uh, okay, distinguished. There is major distinguish between them. Meanwhile, the Avogadro number is known as a particle present in one mole. Okay, so this concept gets denied here as we cannot say a one mole is a one particle, but one particle can be counted. Any particle can be counted in Avogadro number. Okay, so that simply focuses upon particle. I hope you can see my proper screen, and sorry if you don't like my writing. I'm just revising the topic, so I thought I should make a video as well. Okay, so particles present in one mole of any substance is called Avogadro's number, that is represented as Na, and again it's a numerical value that is majorly being used at every point in life of your chemistry, like in your chemistry life. Again, that is 6.02 10s power 23. 23 is its you can say exponent. This is there is no coefficient. This is its exponent again. Now, what is a molar mass or anything else that is being represented on the behalf of atomic number? Okay, atomic number is also known as molar mass. Okay, molar mass. I'll just type molar mass. The only difference between them is that they are represented by they are represented by grams. Nothing else. They are represented by grams, therefore they are known as molecular mass. And similarly, for if it was about atomic mass, that would be AMU as my unit. As you know, it is atomic mass unit. Very basic. So that is how we know what is molar mass, such as Na is having an atomic number of 23. AMU, AMU. And if you want to say that Na is having 23 molar mass, so you will just write gram instead of AMU. That is how we do it. Okay. Now, if I talk about how to find a volume in any condition that is at standardized temperature, or you can say pressure. Okay, that is known as STP. Now, how to solve any equation or any value that is at STP? Okay, standardized temperature pressure. Now you know that dm cube liter um, other particular things such as length into breadth into width. These are formulas, these are units of what? A volume. And similarly, whenever you will represent any value in this numerical, you will represent it by either liter cube, either a dm cube. Both are exact same. They do have exact same meaning in them. Okay, so the volume of 1 mole of gas at STP is uh, 273 temperature, that is temperature, and that is standard. Pressure is always 1, okay, 1 atomic mass again, and that is referred to our molar volume. Okay, now the formula for it would be, okay, we will discuss formulas at the end or after this. Okay, so this is known as uh, pressure of molar volume. This is known as temperature of molar volume. That will add a Kelvin in them as well. Again, the constant molar volume is 22.4 dm3. That is a constant value. Therefore, the formula for it would be moles that we have to find given volume according to the equation, and the molar volume that is always constant. Now, if you have to find moles with molar mass, if you have to find given mass, you will multiply them. If you have to find its mole, you will find it by dividing given mass and molar mass. There are a lot of tactics, and similarly, if you have to find atoms in this, you will multiply the whole equation by uh, Na, that is Avogadro number again. Okay, so that is how we do it, and that is how it works actually. Now I'll talk about formulas. Okay, now I'll talk about formulas. For mole, we use given mass of the equation according to the scenario upon the molar mass of the element that is being required. Okay, if you have to find a molar mass, you will simply multiply them both. If you have to find given mass, you will multiply them both. Again, if you have to find moles, you will divide them both. Okay, so the that's how we find different type of uh, different type of things that are being mentioned here, such as given mass, moles, or molar volume. And for volume, this was about moles only, and for volume, it would be same moles equals to but it would be given volume according to the questions, and that would present itself with dm cube. Okay, and it would be molar volume that is constant. I just taught you 22.4 dm cube. You will just simply get your required value by trying to get it out, like maybe multiplying with molar volume. If you have to find given volume, maybe you have to find moles. You can vary upon this in different condition in different values, etc. That was how I cover the concept of volume till the point, sorry, not the date. Okay, that is how we do few of the conservations of volume of moles. Now I like to talk about relationships. Okay, Well, we will talk about that in our next video and very next video, because I believe we have already exceeded the limit of 10 minutes. Okay, so this was all about mass and uh, volume and moles revision, nothing else. That was it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.